Go to YouTube, search for this keyword, then go to this website, sign up for free, and get paid for watching all these YouTube videos. Making money online feels like rocket science to many, but to some who know the way, it's as easy as watching a movie. That I mean in every sense of the word, because today I'm going to show you how to make a lot of money while doing just one thing, watching YouTube videos. Basically, what you have to do is make a quick search on YouTube, move on to Google, and sign up for a free tool, hop back to YouTube, watch some videos till the end, and boom, collect your earnings. If you're like me and you watch a lot of YouTube videos every day, then this money-making strategy feels like you'll get paid for doing your hobby. Is there anything cooler? I know some people are going to doubt that this works, so I brought along some payment proof for you to see. From $41 to $57 sent directly to my PayPal on a daily basis, you can see I've made a lot of money simply by watching these absolutely free YouTube videos. But this opportunity wasn't made for me alone, and interestingly, it works in every country of the world with different payment options ranging from Payoneer to PayPal and even bank transfers. In fact, you can even get paid in Bitcoin if you want to. But before I show you the secret key to this vault of money, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't let another great strategy for making cool cash online slip past you. So, let's start from the point of inception and wrap things up in a few steps. But make sure you pay close attention to every step for the best results. I think it's best you complete each step first before we move on to the next one. That way, you start implementing what you've learned right away, and by the end of the video, you'll already be set to make money online using this very simple strategy. Now, let's move to the steps. Step 1 is to head over to YouTube, and before you can start earning money, you have to search for various keywords in the gaming niche. So you can search for Minecraft, Fortnite, Call of Duty, GTA, or any other game that interests you. You can also search for keywords outside of the gaming niche, but you have to make sure that they are popular keywords. Once you've figured out your niche of interest, the next thing to do is search for a popular keyword in that niche. For this video, I'll be doing a gaming niche as an example. You can go with your own niche, or perhaps you can stick with gaming like me. Once you search for a keyword you like, leave the search results open in the tab for the time being. We'll get back to that in a moment. The next thing you'll do is open a new tab and search for a website called shrinkme.io. This website is what you'll be using to make money on the internet just by watching your preferred YouTube videos. What this website actually does is shorten the URL or links of your preferred video. With ShrinkMe, you can grab any link from anywhere on the web and have it shortened. Whenever you have someone click on your shortened link, you get paid in full based on how many people click and view your links. If you were able to amass up to 10,000 views, you would earn $220. For 1,000 clicks, you get $22. The truth is, there are other link shorteners out there, and another example is bit.ly. But the reason why I recommend shrinkme.io and not any other is because you get a higher payout than with any other tool, and it's also at a low minimum payout threshold of about $5. In reality, you can make that in just a couple minutes and start withdrawing your earnings to your account via PayPal or any other payment method of your choice instantly. So you don't necessarily have to wait for a long time to start seeing results. To get started, create a free account by clicking on the register button located at the top right corner of the website. All you have to do to register is think of a unique username, enter your email, create a password, and confirm that you are not a robot by completing a reCAPTCHA. Then the final step is to accept the terms of use and private policy and register to the site. After a few moments, you'll be taken to your dashboard that helps you track your earnings, the number of views you've generated, and in the Withdraw tab on the left-hand side, you will be able to withdraw your earnings once you've passed the minimum $5 payout. Now you can head back to YouTube and search for popular keywords that's trending. For popular games like Fortnite, Minecraft, and GTA 5, that's not hard to find videos that gets hundreds of thousands or millions of views within a short amount of time. With those types of trending videos, it will be easier to rake in thousands of clicks and views within a few hours. So make sure you stick to viral and trending videos for the best result. Once you've searched for your keyword, click on one of the videos that has a lot of views in a short amount of time and watch it to the very end. Your job here is to make sure it's a good video. So all you have to do is sit back, relax, enjoy your time, and watch the video to make sure it is a good one. Once you've done that, I'll show you how ShrinkMe will pay you for doing that. But for now, just watch the videos and make sure they are good. Now that you've watched the video and made sure the quality is good, we can move on to a money-making part of the video. Just go ahead and copy the URL from the video you just watched, and then head back over to the shrinkme.io dashboard. There you will see a button that says New Shorten Link. Go ahead and click on that and paste the video URL right there and click on Shorten. Now ShrinkMe will provide you with a brand new shortened link on their domain. When somebody clicks on this shortened link, it will still take them to the YouTube video, but the main difference is that you will get paid for every single click. If you're still skeptical about whether this website pays you, head over to this page and scroll through to see all the payments that are being sent to other users. Now that you have a shortened link, copy it and then head over to the website called forums.pcgamer.com. This website is a community where gamers come together to talk about several games and how to play them. Users often share videos with the tips and tricks on how to play different games in new updates that are coming out. Now, that's where you come in. You supply them with this interesting video they need to watch. If you do it correctly and people like watching the videos you've recommended, the forum's algorithm will show your post to more and more people and generate more and more clicks. In short, if you do it right, it's more like setting up a click assistant or an autopilot that gets things done for you and drives endless traffic. In return for using this website, you earn every single day as long as people enjoy the videos you recommend and continue watching via your links. Another major reason why I'm recommending this website is because of the insane amount of visitors it gets every month. Right now, over 40 million people visit this website every month. If you do the math, you'll quickly realize that by posting on this site and redirecting some traffic to your link, you can earn thousands of dollars every single month. That is also the reason why you have to pick trending videos to promote. By picking trending videos, users are more likely to click on your link and watch the videos. The more they click and watch, the more you can earn. So if you want to attract more people, you need to watch and shorten the links to more interesting videos. Let's move on to the final step. After this, you'll be ready to start collecting your earnings. The next thing you need to do is type in your preferred YouTube keyword in the PC Gamer search box. For me, my keyword is Minecraft, and once I input it like this, I should be able to see all the new and popular posts about Minecraft. From discussions to recommendations about Minecraft, these posts can be anything people talk about on a daily basis. Now, how do you get all these people to click on your shortened links so that you can collect your earnings? Well, it's actually very simple. You need to post something that has a good chance of being viewed and liked by a lot of people, such as new updates on games, for example. If you're like me and you struggle to create interesting posts, just hop back to our lifesaver, Google. When you're there, search for gaming news for your topic. In my case, I'll search for Minecraft news. You'll discover a lot of articles online around your topic. Now you should go ahead and pick a recent article that focuses on breaking news on the new game or perhaps a new feature. Copy the content of one of the articles that you think would be interesting to share and add it to Google Docs. Inside the docs, you can go ahead and add your shortened link with a short call to action at the end, just like this. Afterwards, you will copy the whole text into the news and update sections in the PCGamer.com and then post it. Afterwards, you will copy the whole text into the news and updates section on PCGamers.com and then post it. Each time someone clicks on your article and your link, you get paid over and over again depending on the number of visitors you can redirect. Each time someone clicks on your article and your link, you get paid over and over again depending on the number of visitors you can redirect. Since there are a lot of them on the website on a daily and monthly basis, you can make almost $1,000 from a single post. Now imagine how much more you can make if you post 10 or 20 videos to the site with about 1,000 clicks on each. That should probably give you the gist. So go out there right now and watch as many YouTube videos as you can. Try to grab the links of the ones you find very interesting, shorten them using shrinkme.io, attach them to any article, post on forum.pcgamers.com, and then wait for your earnings to roll in. Before you head out, don't forget to let me know your thoughts, share your results and earnings in the comment section down below. Be sure to like and subscribe with post notifications on so you don't miss out on any future money-making strategies. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.